I present to you yet again an even more thoroughly revised, improved, and updated version of my Writing English Using Runes guide. This version includes each rune's name, as well as what it is in English. New feature, more categories. New category, Swedish. This means that the letter is for Swedish use. New category, an interesting rune which must be used at all times when necessary. New category, a mixture of the alternative runes plus an interesting rune which must be used at all times when necessary. New category, dakuten containing runes. And the last category, a rune which cannot be written twice in a row. Example of category 2, when writing the letter K, you have the option between using kana and ken. Example of category 3, instead of writing the word the as hagalaz or was, you should use furusaz and was. Example of category 4, like category 3, do not write the word sing with naudlis and gifu at the end, but rather just an ingwaz or ing. Example of category 5, for writing the letter Z in runes, here I use the Sōwilō rune with a Japanese dakuten mark. The dakuten is a voice sound mark, making an S into a Z. Example of the last new category in use. If you want to write the word sadness, instead of using the letter Sul twice, you should use the letter Sōwilō twice.